so I guess I can't really blame you.
Alright, so let's go ahead and just open up a print, normal size. Now find a photo you're going to want to use. Alright, so the first problem here obviously is the fact that this photo's landscape, meanwhile it's vertical, but that's not really a problem. Let's just actually post another one. Just drag and drop it. And then if you go right here to the move tool, place. Alright, so now we have two of these guys. Let's go here and flatten. So we're still pretty far away. What we're going to want to do is start adding some blur. For this one, I'm going to keep it at like 199. And so this is the basic idea. And you can keep playing around here. Let's just say throw another one. And then we can flatten it again. Do filter, blur. Alright, now if we go into the type tool, just press T. Now we can add whatever we wish as far as content. Of course, play around with it. And there you guys go. So this is the basic Apple blurred background style that's very popular. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Alright, and then flatten the image one more time. You can also blur certain areas a bit more to give a bit of a different effect. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.